CATIA Connected Engineering delivers a powerful set of applications covering the end-to-end process for mechanical and shape design that includes the ability to access and share up-to-date engineering data anytime, anywhere. This offers an opportunity to acquire an extended pack of specialized applications which will allow you to dramatically increase your productivity using a single source of data. This will help you to access your V5 product from any location, at any time, on any device. Provide secure data with managed lifecycle and controlled access. Access multi-format 3D products. Drastically reduce lead time. Access the right and complete information directly in 3D. Reuse and improve existing components. Improve the design quality of your product. Compensate for deformations from the manufacturing process. Validate your design to reduce the need for physical prototypes. Manage and protect your company's intellectual property. Improve the quality of your 3D printed parts. And collaborate and manage your data with your team and others.